Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cartoon video using AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use Pixpers AI. So first of all, you can visit the Pixpers website, app.pixpers.ai, and then you're going to sign into this website with your Google account, and then you can describe the content or the video that you want to create here. You can also upload an image as a reference, and then you can choose the duration here and choose the aspect ratio. And I have already asked ChatGPT to make a prompt for me, so I'm gonna copy the prompt and paste it here on the description. And after you sign into this website guys, you will get 60 credits for free for daily credits, and to generate a video you will need 20 credits. And I'm going to click on create, and then the video will be generated for us. And now it's still loading, and we need to wait until 100%. Okay, it's almost done guys. Alright, and this is how the video looks like. Okay, and I'm gonna play it. Alright, and if you want to download the video, you can click on this download icon, and then the video will be saved to your device. And if you want to create a long video, I recommend you to generate scene by scene. You can ask ChatGPT to create prompt for each scene, and then you can generate the video one by one. And after that, you can compile the video with a video editor such as CapCut or Filmora. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!